So the website that I'll be going over today is the GoNoodle website. GoNoodle's target audience are the parents and teachers of younger kids. The website was created to allow kids to do a number of exercises to allow them to focus and concentrate in class or on activities at home. But I really do believe this website can be helpful to those who have a speech and language impairment. So, clicking on the link to the website that I placed right here, this link should take you to the Discover page. There's also a categories page and a channels page. So clicking on the categories page, they have curricular activities, SEL and mindfulness, sensory and motor skills, school life, movement type. And just for the example of today, I'll be clicking on the math video. And on each video, it will tell you the kind of activity the video will be showing the class or your child at home. It shows guided dance, workouts, etc. So at the beginning of every single video, it states what the video will be focusing on, like math, gross motor skills, and workout. So I'll be showing a little bit of the song.
100, 100 eyeballs in this jar, 100 emojis on this jaguar, 100...
So to me, using music that they can sing along to engages those individuals trying their best to their ability to sing and move around, allowing them to practice their speech and language skills while also being kinesthetic, which also exercising, and this has been shown to help focus in the classroom. So there are also different channels just in case your class really does enjoy a specific channel. You can come and check out their videos here. One of the tools that GoNoodle also has are empowering tools for kids, and there's videos like Get Energized, watch stretching, tune into your world, so breathing exercises, relieving anxiety. And this is a channel that I really like because having sessions like these with a child with a speech and language impairment can allow the child to become calm before engaging in class, when they know that they will be practicing skills that they might still be struggling with. So yes, also while you finish a video with your class, your points will go up and you will unlock some kind of treasure, so that will be really exciting for your class to see. But I really do think moving around and having songs like like the water cycle has a guided dance, moving around and even just trying to hum to these songs would really help that child improve their speech and language skills. So going back to our PowerPoint, the cost of GoNoodle is completely free. There is a GoNoodle Plus, but there are various videos and activities that you can do on GoNoodle for free. So this is an amazing plus, for parents, and they can still do these activities that the child might like at school, at home. So special features that the website has, so I'm going to show you back on the website. You can create different classes. So like, let's say you have two different class periods, or you switch your classes, you can create a new one. So your progress can be saved with that classroom. Brain fart. So there's also just the various and multiple kinds of categories that they have. It doesn't always have to be something class related. It can be their motor skills, and this is always something very helpful for any kind of kid. And they also have printables. So printables, they have printables for home and for the classroom that are completely free. And I would totally recommend this website because it wasn't only made for teachers but for parents at home. You know, the website has a great variety of exercises and it can be used for any kid. But the repeatedly use of music is an awesome exercise for an individual with speech and language impairments, since, you know, music and just trying to sing along and rhythmic exercises can really engage that child and practice them without really focusing on them. They see it as something fun. But yeah, thank you so much for listening.